Hey guys, welcome back to another Davinci Resolve tutorial. Today it's going to be really simple. I'm just going to show you guys how to add transitions to your clips. Now what you're going to want to do is head on over to your toolbox. You'll see video transitions. Now you've got dissolves, iris, motion, shape, wipe, fusion transitions. Typically, I don't use any of these. Most times I'd use a dissolve to fade in to my projects. So something like a dip to color dissolve. So you just select it, drag it over to your clip and drop it. And voila, transition. Now, at the end of your project, you can add another dissolve, so you'll have a fade in and a fade out, and that's about it.